Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is a Japanese cooking channel introducing everyday Japanese food. Today I'm going to be making Soumen. Soumen is a thin wheat flour noodle eaten on a hot summer day. Japanese summer is hot and high in humidity, so we tend to lose appetite. Soumen is so refreshing and takes no time to cook. Soumen is the best food even if you don't want to eat anything. Let's start with slicing cucumber. Cut the end of the cucumber and sliding together until the froth coming out. I don't really know why we are doing this, but we believe that this step removes bitterness from cucumber. Slice thinly like this and place the slice overlapping each other. Then slice into thin matchsticks. Slice ham into the same size of the cucumber. Shred the crab sticks. Beat the egg, add a pinch of salt and potato starch solutions. Potato starch works as glue as it cooked and makes just a little bit springy thin omelette. Heat the pan on medium heat, then grease the surface. Pour egg mixture, swirl the pan until evenly cooked. Take out onto a mesh tray, cut into thin matchsticks. Bring water to a boil in a big pan. Cook over high heat, add Soumen noodles and stir prevent from sticking each other. After a minute or so, it's about boiling over. Add half a cup of cold water to stop that, and it also gives a chance to cook evenly. Cooking time is exactly 1 minute and 30 seconds, no more or less. Soumen looks semi-translucent at this point. Drain into a sieve. Transfer to a bowl and add a generous amount of cold water and drain and repeat the process several times. After it comes to room temperature, wash under the cold running water. Grab and wash as if washing a cloth to rinse out all the starchy stickiness. This is the most crucial step to making nice Soumen noodles. This is how I present the Soumen noodles. Take a fork and twist the Soumen noodles around the fork. Put it onto a serving dish. I don't like to serve in icy cold water because the water thins out the Mentsuyu quickly. And place the ingredients we prepared earlier nicely and serve with chopped scallion and grated ginger. These two are indispensable. Pour Mentsuyu in a small bowl and add water to make dipping sauce. 1:3 ratio is good. If you don't have Mentsuyu, please check the recipe on my website. Pick up one roll and dip into Mentsuyu. Add some condiment and slurp. Tastes so good and so refreshing. Here is the Soumen bento. Pour cold Mentsuyu in a jar and you can carry it to school or for someone in the family getting home late. I don't know about other households, but I make summer tempura when I serve Soumen for dinner. This is the corn tempura, which I like the most in the summertime. I'll show you how to make next week. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon and you will be the first one to know my new video is updated. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!